honest review on the bouncer chair we ordered. So we have a 10.5-month-old, and we just purchased this chair maybe about a week ago, and we can already tell it is so much better than her last bouncer chair. This one has a much higher weight limit, so baby is able to stay in it from infant to, much older. The other one, she was able to easily flip it over while she was in it because the weight limit was so low. So this one is so much better because we do not have that problem. She is not able to flip it over, but it still rocks a good amount, but in a safe manner. You could play music on it, you could vibrate it, which is great, play little sounds. Everything's removable, so you can wash it if needed. This spins, and then you can also move this over to the side. The only complaint that I will say about this is that this part is super easy to just pop off. Our daughter pops it off all the time, no matter which way we put it on. So that's something to be mindful of, but it's not a big deal. I think this would be more useful for when your baby is still super little. Our baby is approaching 1 year, so yeah, but you can always keep this off. I believe this is removable as well, so you could just take that whole thing off if you'd like. But overall, I would say a 10 out of 10. I recommend it, and as you can see, our little one does too. Yes.
Plays music, vibrates, nature sounds, or this is just to turn up the music or turn it down. My son loves it. He's 3 months old, but I would not recommend this for a baby who's under 2 months. It's too, like, the back part here, it only goes down a little bit, so the baby will be sitting more up, right? If that makes any sense.